15 years ago, a machine shop struggled to remain competitive. The market was flooded with low-wage competition. A labor shortage made it hard to find people, and when you could find them, costs made it difficult to compete. They needed a strategic move that could shift the paradigm. A robot made sense, but no one made them for high-mix, low-volume situations. Theory was, it wasn't economically viable, but they tried anyway. Today, you know us as RoboJob, the people who bring you purpose-built machine-tending robots that thrive in high-mix, low-volume order patterns like the one in your machine shop. Why does it work? We simplified the programming, making it Windows-based, icon-driven, drag and drop, so programming is less than 5 minutes. We optimized the raw and finished parts management so you can run lights out with no issues. And the robot will cost you less than your current machine operator pay scale. Why not redeploy that machine operator to a new role in your machine shop? Ready to explore? Call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.